My name is Abbie Holloway and I'm in Ysgol Estyn.
Hi, I'm Chloe and I'm currently based at Black Lane County School.
So I'm doing a PE School Sports Level 3.
I'm currently doing a Level 3 PE course with Achieve More Training and Wrexham Foundation.
So I've worked for Wrexham Foundation for coming up to 4 years now as a casual coach, but I didn't know quite what route I wanted to go down. I didn't go to university just yet, and then this popped up. He said, "Do you want to do this course?" And I said yes.
Wrexham Foundation offered me the opportunity to become onto this course, and I saw it as an opportunity to become a teacher or a sports coach, so I took the opportunity with both hands.
Most days I'll be with 2 or 3 different year groups. So my job role is to work with the nursery children all the way up to year 6. So it ranges a lot. So then I've got to adjust my PE session plans to suit that age group. I've become a lot more adaptable. So the sessions I do with Wrexham might be a lot more football based, whereas coming here it's different sports. I did gymnastics before Christmas, but learning how to do it with certain children and making sure that they are able to do it. Yeah, and just adapting it there and then. I mean, you saw it outside, if it's not quite working, like the left and right, we'll just change it how I explain. So yeah, I'm doing different classes, different sports, different PE lessons, and then you have got the coursework, but majority of that is based on what you do in your PE lessons anyway, so you're just writing up what you've already done.
Coming here, I didn't know much Welsh, and I've picked it up really easily because I'm constantly around it, and Black Lane have also put me through Welsh courses, which has also helped me. I've also gained a lot of confidence in myself because I've been around people who are very welcoming, very understanding, and to be honest, this place is like a family and they all support each other, so I feel like I'm a lot more confident in who I am as well as how I interact with the children.
I mean, when I was in primary school I didn't have a PE teacher, so having access for these children here to have a PE teacher is massive, and engaging them in sports at such a young age is going to help them look at me and hopefully they think, oh, do you know what, I want to do that as well.
And when I was younger, we only had a boys' football team. There was no girls' football team, and I wanted to be a goalkeeper, which is a very odd position for a 9-10-year-old girl to be jumped into. So I did it with the boys' team and I loved it. I remember being excited when I first caught my own ball, did my first save, and I want to help others reciprocate that feeling because it was an amazing feeling and it drove me to be the player I am today, 10 years down the line, still playing. I think it's important because in some areas they may be less fortunate to opportunities like this, and they may not be able to get their dream sport, may not be able to have the opportunities to be active and be physical. So I think it's important that we provide those opportunities and help them build their own way into sport.
So 100% I'd recommend it, definitely, because it's on the job. You're not, no offence to people sitting at a desk, but you're not sitting at a desk, you're learning as you go.
I'd 100% tell them to do it. You have to take every opportunity you're given, and you can always decide later on if you don't like it or not, but I can ensure that you most likely will.